Hi, today I'm going to show you how to record and play macro in Google Sheets. For example, I'm going to record a simple macro, so if I want to do it, I need to go to extensions, I need to go to macros, and here I need to select this one option, record macro. Then recording will be started in. So for example, I will type here maybe 1, here maybe 3, here maybe AB, here maybe I will type Monday, and I will maybe autofill this option to the right side. And if I would like to save this simple macro, I need to click save button and I need to type here a name for this macro, for example, simple macro. Now I need to type here a shortcut for my macro. I type here number, for example, 1. So if I will press Ctrl Alt Shift 1, I will be able to run this macro. So I click save button. How you see macro has been successfully saved. So now I will clear this data, I select it, I click edit, I go to delete and I select here values. Now I click somewhere here and now if I will use shortcut Alt Ctrl Shift 1, the script will be run in. You will see this one information, authorization required. A script attached to this document needs your permissions to run. So we need to click OK button. We need to select the account which we want to use to authorize this script. So I select this account. You will see this one information about permissions. We need to scroll down and click continue. And after that, our macro will be successfully run in. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to record your own macro, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.